So in this class I am going to explain you first and follow. So this is the grammar, given grammar. Now we have to find out the first and follow functions for this grammar. So all of you know that we already in the previous class we have already discussed about the first and follow rules. What is the first rule? First functions rule. Total 3. The first one is, suppose if x is a terminal symbol, then the first of x equal to x. This is the rule 1. And what is the second rule? Suppose if x is a non-terminal. So all of you know that if each and every non-terminal have some productions. Suppose x is a non-terminal and the productions are like this: y1, y2, so on, yk. Then first of x. So first of x equal to, first to find out first of y1. Suppose first of y1 does not contain any epsilon symbols, then the result is same. Suppose the first of y1 contains epsilon symbol, then we have to perform union of the next input symbol, union of first of y2, like this. First of y1, if y1 does not contain epsilon, then this is the answer. Suppose y1 contains epsilon means then we have to compute first of second symbol, that is y2, first of y2. So this process continues. This is the second rule. And the third rule is, suppose x is a non-terminal and the production is epsilon, then the solution is first of x equal to first of epsilon. So first of epsilon means nothing but epsilon only. So by using these three rules, we have to compute the first function in the given grammar. So the given grammar contains a total 3 non-terminal symbols. One is s, second one is s dash, and the third one is e. So all of you know that the first one follows, we have to compute only non-terminal symbols. So the first non-terminal symbol is s. So first of s equal to, so the given grammar s contains two productions. One is IET s dash and the second one is a. So we have to perform the first union operation. So first of the first production. The first production is IET s dash union first of a. That is the second production. So here in this case, the first of the right hand side, the first symbol is I, where I is a terminal symbol. So first of terminal symbol is same terminal symbol, that is I, union, and the second production, the first symbol is A. Again A is a terminal symbol. So first of terminal symbol is same terminal symbol, that is A. So the result is I comma A. So first of yes, answer is I comma A. In the same way, the second one is, second non-terminal is s dash. So first of s dash equal to, again s dash having two productions. One is es, second one is epsilon. Again perform union operation. First of first production, that is es union first of second one, that is epsilon. So here also the first symbol is E, terminal. Here also it is a terminal symbol. So the first one is E union epsilon. The result is E comma epsilon. This is the solution. And the last production is E to B. So third non-terminal is E. So find first of E. So first of E equal to, so here E have only one production. So first of the production is only B. So B is a terminal symbol. So the answer is B only. So the first of S equal to I comma A, and then first of S dash equal to E comma epsilon, and then first of E equal to B. These are the solutions. And the next one is follow. Again in follow, we are following total 3 rules. What is rule 1? Rule 1 is place dollar in starting symbol of the grammar. For example, take S is starting symbol of the grammar, then we have to write like this. Follow of S equal to dollar. This is rule 1. So rule 1 is place dollar in starting symbol of the grammar. And the rule 2, suppose the production is of the form A2 alpha B beta. So here beta does not contain epsilon. Then in this case the solution is follow of B equal to, what is B? B is the production right hand side non-terminal symbol, this one. So follow of B equal to, solution is first of beta except epsilon. This is the solution. This is rule 2. And third rule, suppose the production is of the form A2 alpha B, where here beta contains epsilon. So the form is like this, A2 alpha B. It is of the form, then the solution is follow of B equal to follow of A. What is B? B is the production right hand side symbol, not terminal symbol, and A means the production left hand side symbol. Suppose the third rule is like this, A2 alpha B, then the solution is follow of B equal to follow of A. So in the given grammar we have total 3 non-terminal symbols. So we have to calculate follow of S, second one follow of S dash, and the third one is follow of E. Follow of E. What is rule 1? So rule 1 is place dollar in starting symbol of the grammar. So rule 1 is place dollar in starting symbol of the grammar. So here starting symbol of the grammar is yes. So by rule 1, so here we have to include dollar symbol. This is rule 1. And rule 2, now take the first production. Suppose here the first production is like this, S2 I E T S S dash. Now apply rule 2. What is rule 2? If the production is of the form alpha B beta, whenever the non-terminal occurred, first we have to find out the follow of that non-terminal symbol. The solution is follow of B equal to first of beta minus epsilon. Suppose the non-terminal followed by symbol, then we have apply rule 2. Suppose non-terminal followed by 0 symbol, then we go for third rule, that is follow of B equal to follow of A. So here in the first production is S2 IET SES dash. So here the first non-terminal is E. So find follow. So follow of E equal to, so E followed by some symbol is there, that is nothing but beta. So we have to apply second rule. So find first of beta. What is beta? The entire one we can call it as a beta. So T S S dash minus epsilon. So the answer is first of T. T is a terminal symbol. So T. So follow of E equal to T. So this is follow. The value is T. And the next one. And the next one is E. E is a non-terminal. We have already computed. Next one T. T is a terminal. So leave it. Next one again S is a non-terminal symbol. Again apply second rule. So follow of S equal to Now this one, follow of S equal to S followed by S dash. So symbol is there. So apply rule 2 for first of S dash minus epsilon. What is first of S dash? So first of S dash result is E comma epsilon. So E comma epsilon minus epsilon. So the final result, final value is E only. So we have to add here only. Follow of S equal to E. And one more not terminal is there, last symbol, that is S dash. So follow of S dash equal to, and S dash followed by 0 symbols. Then we go for third rule. So follow of S dash equal to follow of the production left hand side symbol, that is S. So this is the equation. So follow of S dash equal to follow of S. So this is about the first production. And the second production is S2A. Second production is S2A. So it is not possible to perform the follow operation because in the production right hand side there is no non-terminal symbol. If the non-terminal symbol is there, then only it is possible to perform follow operation. And the third rule, third production is S dash to E S. S dash to E S. So here E is a terminal symbol, again S is a non-terminal symbol. Then find follow of S equal to, and S followed by 0 symbols, then follow of S dash. So this is one more equation, follow of S dash. And fourth production is S dash to epsilon. So S dash to epsilon. S dash to epsilon means, so the production is S dash to epsilon, contains a nullable production. So first we have to eliminate the null production S dash. After completion of nullable production S dash to epsilon, we will get some new set of production, that is S2 I E T S. This is the new set of production. Again apply the follow rules. What is this one? Follow of E equal to first of T. This is already completed. Next one, follow of S equal to follow of S. Follow of S equal to follow of S. So it is a trivial condition. So no need to consider this type of statements. And the last production is E to B. Last production is E to B. Again, it is not possible to calculate the follow because the production right hand side there is no non-terminal symbol. So finally we have to match all these equations. So first one, follow of S equal to $, and the next one is follow of S equal to follow of S dash equal to follow of S. So this is the equation, follow of S dash equal to follow of S. This is the equation. And one more equation is follow of S equal to follow of S dash. So this one, follow of S dash equal to S, that means follow of S dash equal to follow of S. What is the follow of S result? $E. Next one, follow of S equal to follow of S dash. Almost both are same values. And next one, so there is no possibilities are there. So this is the final answer. So follow of S equal to $E. Follow of S dash equal to $E. And then follow of E equal to T. Follow of E equal to T. So in this way we have computed first and follow values. Happens.